So, my good friends, whenever Israel is under attack or whenever there is some war in the Middle East, many people want to associate this with the end times. But I think my suggestion is that this is always a show of mastery of science. And I think it's also a show of precision. You see, the whole concept and the whole idea at the heart of this is the projectile motions, whereby if a rocket launcher is at point A and the target is, say, at point B, then the rocket is launched and is to hit the target. And we are seeing a lot of science come into this and a lot of precision. We are able to appreciate and acknowledge the fact that if you want to have victory in war, in life, and in our endeavors, then we must acknowledge the basics of science, which includes V is equals to U plus GT. We should acknowledge the very basics such as S is equals to UT plus a half GT squared. My good friends, you should also relate very well that V squared is equals to U squared plus 2GS. These are key linear equations that are related with the Newton's laws of motion that enable wars succeed. In this case, V is representing the final velocity. U is the initial velocity. S is the vertical displacement. G is the gravitational acceleration. And T is the duration or the time. So we are looking at the vertical displacement, that is from this point here to, say, this point here, and you're also looking at the horizontal, which we are referring to as the range. So if you want to succeed, you have to understand and do as many questions that relate to these very basics, get the problems and get the solutions with this regard. Thank you so much.